I can't be fucked with, no. Ho, you can't touch this, ayy. Bitch, I do rich shit, huh? My money thick, thick, ayy. Walk with a limp.
Let's get into this unboxing video. Hi everyone, I got a package. Okay, who's this package from? Let's see. This is the initial unboxing, as you can see from the title. So let's get into it. Oh, I don't even have a scissors with me, so I'm gonna just rip this open. Rip it! My hair didn't come in a pretty bag. Oh, I got a wig cap though. I got a wig cap, but it's black. Who uses this? But whatever. As I was saying, my hair didn't come in a little pretty bag like all the other vendors do. But this hair is from. Wait, did my hair even come with like a little label? Let me see. There's nothing else in here.
That nigga's tripping.
Who's this? This hair is from. It's Deep Wave. I know that. But I'll put the link in the description below. So look out for that to know where this hair is from. But anyways, I got a frontal, a 20-inch frontal, a 22-inch bundle, a 26-inch bundle, and a 24-inch bundle. Let me take out the frontal and show y'all what it looks like. Ooh, technical difficulties. It came with a little, what is it called? There's a little mesh around it. I guess hair protected mesh. So, yeah. Oh, and don't mind my nails. I know. Well, this is how the frontal comes. This is how it looks. It's a 13x6 frontal. It has a little bit of baby hair. This is a Swiss lace. I guess this is a light brown or frontal. But yeah, it's a Swiss lace. I could tell. It's okay. Let me see. Well, I pulled it and I don't know if you can see it, but it's like one here from pulling it. But let's get into these bundles. As I said, this is the initial unboxing. Let's throw that right there. This also comes with a little mesh over it. Well, it comes wrapped and then the mesh is over it. It says, love the hair, share with your friends, get $5 coupon. Leave us all 5-star feedback, get $5 coupon for next order. 100% hair, made in China. But yeah, the little tag around it says 100% human hair, nothing special. Yeah, and this is the hair. And all the hip bundles are the same, but I guess I'll just unbox it for you guys, I guess. What inch is this one? No. Oh, this is a 26-inch. Can't wait to install this. Well, I ain't installed it. I'm gonna do it as a wig. Yeah. So here we go. This is 2 bundles. let's get into the last bundle I'm gonna unbox. No, I really wish my hair came in a little bag or a little box though. That would have been so cute for my review, but I guess not. And here's the other bundle. Usually, like, vendors usually put this on and then wrap their hair in it, but they decided to put this on and then wrap this around it. A little bit more difficult, but I guess. Ooh, so I'm gonna pull that off. So I could pull this off, and it has like a little gold rubber band wrapped around it. But let me see, it's shedding like a little bit, I guess. I can't really see, but there you go. But yeah. Thank you for watching. Like, comment down below, and of course, subscribe to keep getting more videos from me. Bye.